Actually, when you have one film back, we will no problem to use it one body. But in case you want to use 2 or 3 film types, absolutely yes, you have to notify your each film back what film you is used. For this veil or for these compositions, I think the 50mm is wider, and for the architectures bridge or the riverfront, the 80mm is too tight, I think, so I will try the wider lens. I use the 50mm CF that can compatible with 3FE very well. I want to use a new film, it's Cat Labs that I haven't been used before. So today we learn and we will see what's our characters or how qualities it is. It's very interesting, I think. Besides the Cat Labs, I have to use the EOS XP2400 as well to compare side by side for someone who maybe need to know what's the real color when attacking black and white Cat Labs and or XP2. So I will take the color films F1160. Alright. The transportation bird is coming. Okay, I will make it fast and make it quick. Alright. Okay. Wow. Okay. And then the XP2. And color. Wow. I will try the long exposure for black and white with the moving sky. Also, I use the ND filter to reduce the lights. On the M mode, I just hold this button and then move the shutter speed. The correct exposure values will be displayed on the LCD screen, even in overexposure, normal, or underexposure. So this is one of the smart metering system on the 3FE or 205 as well. For the color film and our X-point, and I set the ISO at 50. Alright, so wow. I will move to another position. And the Cat Labs ISO set at 50. I will try the normal lens for the alternative. I will use color film. Alright, faster. I will try to use the ND filter for slower speed. The Smart Manual Mode exposure by setting the M mode on manual mode, and then I press down this button, and the shutter speed will be displayed on the LCD screen. Now I set at 60. Actually, it's display the value as about 10. So 10 is between 8 and 15, and I set up the f16 and stop downs when I use the f lens. Color fan 4 seconds. Alright, I'm set to be 4 seconds. It's cat laps. $60. Okay. I don't know why I love to shoot the slow speed. Maybe I love the slow movement of the waters or the clouds. The metering on the 203 very smart, even on the 205. XP2, the cat laps. Okay, 1 second. Alright. I'm waiting for the twilight. Waiting, it's a nice cloud and a beautiful sky. 2 seconds. F16. Ear for 200. When there are lower lights or lower ambient lights, I will be switch from the manual mode to be the A mode, because it's more accurate and more convenient for lets the camera calculate the lights. The 200 camera model or 200 camera series 203 or 205. On location, the aim mode is when used, just press, hold down, and evenly point the camera to any directions. The LCD screen will be respond the correct exposure values at that times, and then you can set up on the body yourself in the A mode. The camera will be calculate the right exposure, composition, and then camera will be do the rest. Very versatile and convenience when use the A mode and FE lens. That's about the links to the lens on the camera and the film backs. Very helpful for professional photographer or serious user that can be trusted on the metering systems. And for more details, I recommend that you try to read from the manual. Wishing you enjoy and are happy with your cameras, any cameras or Hasselblad, by spend your times and sharing your experience together.